Hi guys, it's Will Wynn here from My Car Heaven. We're at Salon Privé 2025 at the historic Blenheim Palace. We're going to take a walk around the show. Much changed for this year, so hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you around. So there's always an amazing collection of cars. Looking at a 2005 Porsche Carrera GT. Beautiful. So this part we're walking past now, and we'll come back to this, so watch out for the video. This is a feature of this year's show, which is called the Green Collection. You can see other videos from other years. We had the red collection, we've had the blue collection in previous years. Absolutely stunning cars. Including some best of show cars. We'll come and do a walk around this car later, but this is the 2015 Jaguar CX-75, which never got produced, but that one is road legal, and designer Callum are responsible for making that happen. So this year, for the first time, we've got big glass structures. I believe it took 4,000 man hours to put it all together, which is some commitment. But the standout thing about this show, compared to many others, is in the UK there is no other show that's this luxurious. This is obviously the Ferrari 250 GTO, most sought after car by collectors, some would say. So we're here on the Wednesday, and later on again we'll have a video, and this will be where they will do the award winners for Concours event. The judges, we'll see them shortly. The judges are currently judging the cars. So you'll see in the background there's lots of luxury retailers trying to sell their products.
Looking good.
So we'll go down and just look at these very old cars from the 1920s and 30s. In the background we have a McLaren F1 GTR, I believe. So if you want to see more on each of these cars, you can go over to our Facebook album page and our YouTube channel, where we have a dedicated Salon Privé playlist. the size of the glass building. I think it's probably, I'm going to guess about 80 meters long. Beautiful car. So the judges judging the cars for the concourse. The thing I love about Salon Privé, more than anything else, it's an exquisite venue, lovely historical building, and they always have an amazing amount of cars. And this year, more than any other year, they've got more international owners bringing their cars than any year before. Trying to get all the cars in. I'm sure many of you watching would like me to go through each car a little bit in more detail, but I don't want to make the video too long. McLaren P1.
But they've got a like a brother.
So we're now going into the glass building. Down here is hospitality. So we're going to come back into this and do the full walk down the glass building. So here we have a selection of 3 Lamborghinis, Urus, Temerario and Revelto. And Koenigseggs. This is a Jaguar, but it's been remodeled pretty much all the parts. This is a Mini, David Gandy's apparently, made by Callum. So again, we have companies trying to sell their products. Lamborghini Miura in the background, another Koenigsegg, and a couple of Porsches by Rough Roads Engineering. Yes. So anyone who follows me knows that I love a Land Rover Defender. And these ones are by Twisted. I like the blue, that's pretty cool. Right, so we're going to go into the glass building and then we'll come out and look at these 60 cars, some more of the 60 cars on display for the show. So this is the automotive gallery. So here we have cars by GM. These are Corvettes, current Corvette. And this is a concept. I like that a lot. So we won't stop and talk about every car because it's just not enough time. I do love that, it's beautiful. Lamborghinis. Suffice to say, there's a lot of cars here that no one will be able to afford apart from the top 0.5% or 0.1% of the world. W1 McLaren. Ferrari F50. So let us know in the comments what you thought of that collection of cars in the automotive gallery. Big greenhouse. So we're looking at more up to 60 cars being judged by the concours judges today. I absolutely love the Ferrari Testarossa. This is a 512 TR. Love that. I love that as well. This is one of my favourites of all time. It's so expensive though. You, like me, probably look at a lot of the cars that you want to buy and they just keep going up in price. It's obviously a Ferrari 288 GTO from 1985. And the judges. And other people who are selling cars over there. So you can see there's a lot to look at, and this is the Wednesday, which is pretty much just cars that we're walking around today. But if you come on Saturday and Sunday, there's about 3 times more cars, and it's on the other side of the building, and that's where Supercars are coming. I'll be there Sunday with the Drivers Union, which is a supercar club that I'm a member of. Very cool. Everywhere you look, there's something. Ferrari Daytona. This Aston Martin over here, I think it's a DB6, is electrified, and it's Jimmy Carr's car. Yeah. Jimmy Carr, the comedian. This is definitely more cars than every other year. No, I've never seen one of these. Can anyone tell me what that is before I tell you? It's a 1956 Ferrari 410 Super America Coupe. Super fast prototype by Pininfarina. Wow. How many of them? There must be only one of them in the world, surely. Never seen one ever. It's my favourite car of all time. I'm so lovely, I love these. Another one of my favourite cars of all time. This is obviously the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster. underlift trucks, all parts. Beautiful cars. These are all for sale. Oh man, I wish I'd bought one of them if I'd had enough money. That was obviously an EB 110 Bugatti. So if you have enough money, you can buy a helicopter. It is bonkers how much money some people have. We're almost coming to the end of our walk around. I hope you liked the video. There's more cars for not purchase. Well, purchase, yeah, with collecting cars where you can obviously bid. Very lucky with the weather again. So far it has not rained. I think it's due later. And do make sure that you are signed up to our newsletter and following our social media channels. Okay, and I say this because those people who follow us get the opportunity to enter our competitions. And you could have won a pair of tickets to come to this event. We've already given away tickets most years to Silverstone Festival, the Concours of Elegance, London Concours, the Classic Motor Show, Race Retro, and many more. And all you've got to do is sign up to our newsletter and follow us on our social media channels. We're on X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube obviously, and visit our website mycarheaven.com from time to time. A display of Bentleys. I do like a Bentley. Although I'm in my low 50s, I still don't feel old enough to own one, no. So there we are, finishing up now with our walk around the show. I hope you liked it. Do leave your comments. Tell us which car was your favourite that you saw, if you attended the show, and what did you like about it most. And if you ever see me at a car show, always come and have a chat. I'll always talk about cars. That's it for us, guys. We'll see you around.